Good day everyone, especially to you ma'am. My name is Janmark M. Espinola, and today I will present how a simple community problem can be transformed into a project using proper planning and analysis. The problem I choose is proper waste management in our community. The symptom of this problem is the presence of the scattered garbage and clogged drainage. The issue is that people are not properly disposing of their waste. The core problem is the lack of discipline and awareness about proper waste management. To better understand the situation, I use a simple problem tree analysis. The core problem is improper waste management. The cause include lack of awareness, no proper waste segregation, and limited garbage collection. The effects are pollution, flooding, and health risks in the community. From this, I identified one social issue for community discipline, one economic issue, increased cost for cleanup and health services, one environmental issue, pollution and flooding. Now, I will present my project plan. The project title is Clean and Green Community Program. The objective is to reduce improper waste disposal in our community by 50% within 3 months through awareness and proper waste segregation. The target beneficiaries are the residents in our community. The key stakeholders include barangay officials, youth, volunteers, and local residents. This project, the following activities will be done: conduct awareness campaign, organize cleanup drives, provide labeled trash bins and segregation. The resources needed include garbage bags, poster, cleaning tools, and volunteer support. The timeline will be around 3 months, starting with planning, then implementation and segregation cleanup activities every week. To measure success, we will use the following indicators: reducing invisible garbage in the area, decrease in compliance about waste. For data, we will use quantitative data, number of collected garbage, and participation rate. Qualitative data, feedback from residents about cleanliness. The expected outcome is a cleaner, healthier, and more organized community. For my reflection, I believe that problem analysis is very important before planning a project because it helps us clearly understand and real cause of the issue. Without proper analysis, solution may not be effective or long-lasting.